Tuck one end of the sari in the right side waist. Bring the sari over the waist a full circle and tuck the fabric throughout till you reach the right waist. Take the free-flowing end and tuck a portion of it temporarily on the left waist and on the back. Adjust the pleats in the front from the portion tucked temporarily. And tuck it mid-waist and secure it with a pin. Now bring the pallu over the shoulders towards the front, like tying a scarf, holding it by the ends of the sari. Secure both ends with pin. And one more on shoulder for additional support. Cover the chest like a jacket. With one more pin bringing the sari ends together. Adjust the fabric over the arms for easy movement. Tuck one end of the sari in the right side waist. Bring the sari over the waist a full circle and tuck the fabric throughout till you reach the right waist. Take the free-flowing end and tuck a portion of it temporarily on the left waist and bring the pallu over towards the front. Make pleats and secure it on the right shoulder, bringing it from back to front with a longer pallu. Now adjust the pleats in the front. From the portion tucked temporarily and tuck it side waist towards right and secure with pin. Take the free end of pallu and fix it on the left waist. Adjust pleats and secure using pin if needed.